In this video, we'll show you how to use Fluke's JackRapid tool made specifically for Leviton's connectors. The tools you'll need for today's video are a JackRapid tool, palm termination tool, and the overall jacket stripping tool. Using the jacket stripping tool, strip off about 1.5 inches or 2 inches of the Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable. Place the tool over the jacket and go around once or twice to make sure it's scored. Bend the cable back and forth a couple times to make it easier to pull the scored jacket off. Now fan out the 4 pairs of wires and arrange them according to the color code you've chosen. So the first thing we want to do here is arrange the pairs according to the color code you've chosen, and this makes it easier to push the wire pairs over the separation towers. And for demonstration purposes, we'll do a side termination coming in from the left. Using the blue pair as an anchor pair, punch that in first to the IDC, according to the color code there, and then move on to the brown pair, then the orange pair, and then the green pair, making sure they're all set into the IDC. Align the connector in the JackRapid tool, and squeeze the trigger to terminate.